guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Kevin. This is my first video on teaching how to cook Chinese food. Therefore, if you like Chinese food, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like because more videos like this will be coming. So today I will be teaching you guys on how to cook Chinese tea eggs. In Chinese, it's called 茶叶蛋. If you're someone who loves egg but tired of eating the regular hard-boiled eggs, this is a great recipe for you guys. Therefore, feel free to check it out and let me know the taste down in the comment section if you guys like it or not. First, I recommend to use 10 to 15 eggs for this recipe, or you can use as many as you want it. First of all, you want to wash your eggs as clean as possible. You can wash it with your bare hands or you can wash it with some kind of wipes. Just make sure you don't break the eggs accidentally. I use the regular size eggs. You can use the jumbo one if you wanted to. It doesn't really matter. Next, you're going to boil the eggs in a pot. I use the stainless steel pot because later we'll be using the black tea, which is very acidic. Next, you will need this item. It's called star anise. Hopefully I said that right. In Chinese, we'll call it 八角. You only need 5 pieces for this recipe, okay? 5 pieces. And then what you want to do is that you want to wash it clean. Then you're gonna break it into smaller pieces. This way it's easier to break down the flavors. So after you tear them into pieces, they will look like this. Next, you will need 2 more items. One of them is called bay leaves. In Chinese, it's called 香叶. The other item is cinnamon. You need 1 piece of cinnamon and then 3 bay leaves. That's all you need. And then once the eggs are boiled, you're going to run them on cold water for 2 minutes. This way it makes it easier to peel later. After running the eggs on cold water, you're going to take them out and then crack each of them evenly. Make sure you crack them completely. But you have to be very cautious. Do not use too much force because you will break the eggs apart. This process is to make it easier for the flavor to go inside the egg when we cook it. If you don't crack the eggshells evenly on all sides, no matter how much spices you put into, it's not gonna work. So after you crack them, they should look like this. Next step, you will use crystal sugars. If you don't have crystal sugars, you can use the regular cane sugar. It's fine. So you put it into the pot and then you put a little bit water in it, just a little bit, so that the sugar doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And then you just need to wait until it's all melted. Okay, so once the crystal sugars are melted, you're gonna pour more hot water inside the pot. I have a boiler, so I can pour hot water. If you don't, just reboil another pot of water. Then you put the eggs in along with the spices that I just mentioned. Includes 1 piece of cinnamon, 3 bay leaves, and 5 pieces of star anises. Once the water is boiled, you're going to add black tea. In Chinese, it's called 红茶. I use this one because it's very convenient. It comes in little bags. If you don't have black teas that comes in little bags, you can measure up to 30 grams. That should be enough. Then you put the lid on. You put the fire on medium to low and just let it cook for another 15 minutes. If you're not in a rush, you can cook it up to 30 minutes. This way, more flavors will be trapped inside the eggs. While it's cooking, you need to add some soy sauce in it. Do not forget to add soy sauce, otherwise your eggs will taste like plain. I cooked it for 15 minutes and this is what it should look like. The taste is the best if you let it sit for 1 night. So once it cools down, you're going to wrap it and then put it inside the fridge for 1 night.